Inspire Institute of Technologies Pakistan is offering you AHPP, Agile Hybrid Project Pro. The Agile Hybrid Project Pro course typically covers a blend of traditional project management methodologies with Agile principles to manage complex projects. Agile Hybrid Project Pro benefits. An Agile Hybrid Project Pro approach combines the best of traditional project management methodologies with Agile principles, offering several benefits that cater to the evolving needs of complex projects and dynamic environments. Here are the advantages: flexibility and adaptability, improved project delivery, risk mitigation, enhanced collaboration, increased stakeholder engagement, efficient resource utilization, adaptable planning, comprehensive skill set, improved quality and transparency, competitive edge. Agile Hybrid Project Pro employment. Professionals well-versed in Agile Hybrid Project Pro methodologies are sought after in various industries due to their ability to adapt to evolving project needs. Here are potential areas of employment and roles: project management, consulting, IT and software development, finance and banking, healthcare and pharmaceuticals, construction and engineering, manufacturing and production, government and public sector. Admission open. For registration call us on 92-321-505-6755 or WhatsApp us on 92-331-5999937. Visit our website www.iitpakistan.com.pk or mail us at info@iitpakistan.com.pk. Make sure to subscribe us on YouTube and follow our Facebook page for more details about other qualifications.